Hi guys, uh, nowadays I'm sick of a lizard and I've decided to make a lizard catcher, and I want to use the Arduino microcontroller for the same. And here it is my plan. I'll make a box for that, and this is my box I'm going to make. And in this box, on this particular wall, I'll place an infrared sensor, IR sensor. I'll place the trans is over there, and in front of it I'll place a receiver, and similarly another trans and receive will also be there. On this face I'll put the receiver, and my plan is there that I'll keep this door open, and when lizard enter in this box, it will put an obstacle between these IR sensor, and the position of this lizard will be detected. And when it will go ahead and will reach over there, then this lizard will be obstacle for this IR sensor. And I don't want to hurt the lizard, so I'll do like that. When this lizard will enter, and this lizard will reach over there, then this IR sensor will not detect anything, and it indicate that the lizard is in, and this IR sensor will detect its presence. So in that condition this door will be closed, and to open and close this door I'm going to use a servo motor which will placed over there, and its arm will open and close this door. And to attract the lizard I'll put some bait over there, and let's see how it works. Now here are the pieces of plastic, so I'll make this box with these all pieces. This will be the base, and here it is the wooden pieces. I have made the hole for the IR sensor. I'll put these two in front of each other like this, and I'll put the IR sensor transceiver over there, and this is the board I'll place over there. I'll put a door over there, so I have made these slots, so door will be sliding in these slots, and when the lizard will go in from this box over there, these two IR sensor will detect the position, and further when this lizard will go up to over there, then this second pair of IR sensor transceiver will detect the position, and it indicate that the lizard is totally in, and our door over there will close. And for that I'm going to use the servo, and to make it beautiful I'll use these two pieces also. I'll put over there, another piece I'll put over there, so it will be looking nice. And I'm going to drill some holes over there, so the lizard will take the air. Take the electronic portion of this lizard catcher. I have developed this small PCB, and on this PCB I'm going to place this Arduino Pro microcontroller board, and I want to make this device very energy efficient, so the battery will last longer. I have arranged a buck converter. It is a step down buck converter, and I'm going to give a 9-volt supply from a small 9-volt battery, and this buck converter will efficiently convert into 5-volt, and the battery will last longer. And another thing is that this op-amp, this is LM358, and some transistors are there, and these are some SMD resistance, and I'm also going to use this IR pair. So the presence of the lizard will be detected from this IR sensor, I'm going to use this servo motor. It is a 9-gram servo motor, and this motor will be opening and closing the door of the lizard catcher, and some other basic things are there. This connector will connect the IR sensor pins, and some other components like this port to adjust the amplification of the signal from the IR sensor, and these are some other basic connectors are there I'm going to use with this device. So let's see how it works. I'm going to solder all the components over there on this board. Here is the drawing what I have shown you earlier, and I have shaded this faces to make it understand more better. And as per the drawing, I'm to place two infrared transmitter, and on another side I have to place two infrared receiver. So as per the drawing, I have made this box, and in this box I have placed these two infrared transmitter LED, and on another surface I have placed the infrared receivers, and I have made a sliding door, and when this lizard will get in, the door will be closed, and this work will be done using this small servo. And my electronic part is also ready. This is microcontroller based, and this is LM358 as I told you earlier, and I'm going to program this microcontroller. And this is a buck converter. To make the device energy efficient, I'll use this buck converter. It is a step down buck converter, and I'm going to convert 5 volt from the 9 volt battery. I'll connect the 9 volt battery with this circuit, and this buck converter will convert it into 5 volt in energy efficient manner. So now I'm going to complete this, and to make it looking better, I have made these two pieces also. So after completion, I'll place these pieces over there on both the side, so all the wiring will get hide, and it will be looking more better. And all this electronic components parts design I'll place in this box. I'll place this box over there, and the servo will be over there, and it will operate the door. So I'm going to make the sketch for this microcontroller. Let's see after that how it start working. Here it is, my lizard catcher is ready for the initial testing. It is not looking nice, it's open just now and all the circuit is open. When it will complete, I'll put these all circuit within this box, and I'll put these covers over there, so it will be looking nice. Now for testing, I have placed the switch. Whenever I press the switch, this door will open, and again if I press the switch, the door will close. So to deploy, I'll keep the door open and put a bait over there for the lizard, so when lizard go in, it will be caught. So just now for initial testing, assume that this is a lizard and it is entering in my lizard catcher. When it comes in front of this first IR pair, this first LED indicate that the lizard is in, and further if it goes in and it comes across this second IR sensor, the second LED will also start glowing. But I don't want to hurt the lizard, as I told you earlier, so the door will not close till it will go further in, and this IR sensor will not detect in that condition the lizard, and only this IR sensor detect the lizard. So when the lizard goes further in, the door will close and lizard is caught now. Now it will not come out till I press the switch. To release this lizard at some other place, I'll just go there and put this button on, then this door will open and I'll be able to release, and further to close the door, here it is. So now my device is about ready. Today night I'll try to catch my lizard which is irritating me. To complete this, I'm just working out, and when it will complete, I'll place. Here it is, the final look of my lizard catcher, and everything is ready now. The electronic circuit and battery gone in this box, and everything is connected now. And by pressing this switch, the door will open, and assume that this is a lizard, and if it goes in, the door will close and the lizard is caught in my cage. And to release this lizard, just have to press this switch and the door will open and the lizard will be released. And again, if I press the button, the door is closed down. So this is my final lizard catcher ready, and I'm going to deploy today night to catch the lizard. And for bait, I'll put a bug over there inside. Here I'm going to deploy my lizard catcher over there in this particular area of the room where one lizard is moving around in the night, and I'll try to catch the lizard. Hope in morning I'll see the lizard in this cage, and I'm going to deploy this. Here I'm deploying it, and I've made this door open. Here it is. I have deployed this lizard catcher yesterday night over there, and today morning I can see that I have catched one lizard, and it is there in this lizard catcher, and you can see it is moving, and my lizard catcher is very successful. So now I'll release this lizard somewhere out, and I'll get rid of this lizard. Thanks for watching.